Well, hello everyone. How are you doing tonight? Let's get started. Today I have a cute project using some tin hearts that I bought from Hobby Lobby, and let me see who's on and share this, and I will show you some transfers in the meantime. Today we are going to use the vintage truck add-ons, and we are using the hearts that go in the back of the truck on this. So let me get that on the screen. You'll be looking at that. That is available on my site, Arlana Patton, chalkcouture.com/Arlana Patton. So let me get this shared with everybody, and you look at that for a minute or do something for a minute till I get this shared. If you're on, please like, share, and comment. And I'm checking to see if I see anybody. So far, no. Let me know you're there. I love to know who's on. So yeah, it looks like I'm here. So I'll get this shared to my pages. Too bad you can't share them at the same time, but Facebook doesn't let you do that. Now let me figure this out again. Seems like it pulled up different this time, but maybe not. Maybe it's just me trying to figure out how to run things. So another transfer we're going to be using is the Your Life, Your Story that we had on the other night, and we'll be using the arrow from that. And here's another transfer that's similar. I have a love that's very similar to this. I don't remember what the other love went to, but I don't think it's something that we have on there right now. But it looks almost identical to that. We should be using that also. So welcome. Thanks for joining tonight. Let's talk for a minute. I have enjoyed doing the videos, and I want to thank everybody that tunes in. Chalk Couture is fun, and if you would like to find out more about Chalk Couture, let me know. I have a friend that's thinking about joining, and it would be fun to have some more people join, and we could create a team. Chalk Couture has a kit, and this is not the current kit, but I don't have a picture of the current one, and I thought the new kit that was coming out was going to be out before the catalog, but it's not. So when the catalog comes out, you will get the picture of what's in the back of that catalog. So if you check my catalog link, I'll have to repost that again. And in that book, it shows what you'll get for the $99. Tons of cute new transfers coming out, and that will have the new transfers for the new kit. But the kit right now has some little explore ones that are camping and that. They're little images. and it has a few other things that were probably in this kit here. It comes with several chalk pastes. It's $99 and it's a $240 value, and then each month they take out $20 for your website, but in return for that you get a transfer sent in the mail. So it works out about equal, and then you get to create something fun with that new transfer. So that's always fun, and in a 3-month period, all you have to maintain is $150 to stay active. So I'd love to have you join my team. That would be awesome if you're interested in that. If people just want to order from me, chalkcouture.com/ArlanaPatton. You could order anything there you would like. Also, I have a VIP group, and the VIP group is where you're going to want to join. I'm going to do some specials there on things that I will buy and carry, and I can run a little bit different special. So that is where, if you want some deals, you're going to want to join that group. Be sure to like, share, and comment. And let me know if you're interested in any of this. Send me messages. That would be great. So we can continue on. So let me get my work surface going. And I learned some things tonight. I learned that I can actually just touch my iPad over here and I can zoom in and out. I may not put me in the corner for now. We will figure that out. But this way I can zoom in and out. But I actually think I figured it out and pretty much had it where I wanted it at. Oh, and my husband's saying the volume is low. No, I did forget the mic. I still have to work on figuring out the wireless mic. I have it on now, and let me check to see. Hopefully the volume's on. Let me know if you're able to hear that now. Anybody that's on. So I'm not used to wearing this, but we're checking into something else. So these are the hearts that I have picked out here. There's three of them. I've got 2 pinks and a white, and I thought we would try and do all 3 of them. I've put the transfers on a couple of them just to see how they would fit.